Hi everyone, my name is Wylie. I'm a drummer for the band Vermin. I've been playing drums for about 16 and 17 years now, and I just recently made the switch to playing Collision Drumsticks. I've been playing these, the Collision 5As, which are really good. They feel really light and responsive when you're playing. Just make it really easy to move around the kit quickly, which is really impressive considering how durable these sticks are as well. I've also been playing these, the 5BRs, which are really good for when you need to play a little bit heavier. The sticks pretty much just do all the work for you. You don't need to put much effort in to make a really loud sound. The song I've been playing today is going to be my band Vermin's debut single called Pinch of Salt. We released it at the end of last year, and I hope you enjoy.
Ready? Yeah.